Baku, do you like the work?
Yes.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is a story about how our ship nearly lost a charterer, or how to replace a defect sheave on the ship's crane. When the vessel was in port of Gambia, it is a small country on the west coast of Africa, one of our cranes was found producing a lot of metal noise and started dropping the sheave bearing rollers from the top of the crane directly on deck. Look at the distance from the crane housing to deck. Likely there was nobody below at the time. As the crane stopped working, the charterer started to push the ship to repair it immediately to continue loading of cargo. But this defect can only be fixed by replacing the sheave with a new bearing. This cannot be done immediately. That's why the vessel has left the port without loading the whole cargo. The owner of the vessel gave us a time of 5 days maximum to repair the issue, otherwise the charter will be lost. As there were some old sheaves on board, we decided to choose one of them for replacement. Now we need to transfer it directly on top of the crane housing. The weight of the sheave is around 100 kg, diameter is 90 cm. In order to lift this monster, we need to invent something. The bosun suggested to lift it with a number of pulleys connected to mooring winch. The risks were acceptable as there were no strong wind or heavy rolling that day. We started lifting preparations. The lifting operation has begun. Everything went smoothly and the sheave was successfully secured on top of crane housing. We'll continue the job next day. Good morning. Today is day number 2 of our sheave replacement operation. We're going to remove the metal wire directly from the sheave, and also we will be assembling a specialized construction over the sheave to lift it up later on. First of all, we need to remove the tension from the crane wire. In order to do that, I've sent one crew member inside the crane cabin. While he was slacking a wire, I was holding a crane block.
Okay, already okay, I see, already okay.
As the crane wire is very heavy, we used the chain block to remove it from the sheave. The rest of the day was spent assembling the metal construction over the sheave. As you can see, only preparation took us about 2 days, and we were still lucky that there was no heavy seas, raining, or any other unpleasant conditions. Looks like Mother Nature was very kind to us.
Day number 3 of the sheave replacement. Quite windy day. It's not going to be a pleasant time on top of the crane housing. So I'm on top of the crane housing. Yesterday we finished the frame, the supporting frame, which will help us to remove the wire, the sheave itself. how beautiful it is. Welding is good. Should be enough to lift up this 100 kilo sheave.
But before lifting, we have to remove the shaft on which the sheave is sitting. To expedite the shaft removal, the engineers managed some tubular device where you can twist the bolts and continuously remove the shaft. Slowly, with the help of heating, the shaft was removed and sent to workshop for recondition. Meanwhile, the defect sheave was already removed from its position and secured. Yeah, looks like a bearing inside was seriously damaged. This is the end of the day number 3 of our sheave replacement operation. On the 4th day, we have already prepared the new sheave with the bearing inside. It was only remaining to insert a shaft in it. Seems like an easy job, but it wasn't. The shaft didn't want to go inside. We even tried to hammer it, adjusting the sheave all the time to let it in. But finally, it was found out that it is the easiest way to use the same tubular device, which we used for removing the shaft. And the sheave is officially replaced. A couple of tests and we can report completed job to the company. They definitely will be happy. That's it, guys. Hope the information provided was interesting and useful. If you like the video, please subscribe, like it and comment down below. See you on the next video. Bye!